Hi, my name is Daphne Verlek and I teach Dutch as a second language to expats in the Netherlands. Today's video is about how to survive my first weeks in the Dutch food market. As an expat myself, I know what it's like to go into a supermarket and search like crazy for the products that you like, the things that you like, the food you want to prepare, and you can't find it or it's taking a lot of time. So today's video is about how to start in the Netherlands, maybe try out some new things, healthy things would be nice, and also not too expensive things because ordering food is easy, but it's usually not very healthy and it's also very expensive. So the first thing I want to show you is what we call Verspakket. Vers means fresh and pakket means package, so fresh package. So I have some examples, from instance, from the Plus supermarket, from the Jumbo supermarket and from the Albert Heijn supermarket. So when you get into the supermarket, you always enter in the vegetable area, and this is where you find these Verspakketten. So on the outside of the pakket, on the label, you find, of course, what meal you can prepare with it. It also says how many minutes it takes to prepare and for how many people the meal is meant to be. Then there are two parts on the outside. One part tells you what's inside the box, and the other part tells you what to buy in the supermarket. What I really like about this system for expats is, one, you have to go through the supermarket, but two, you know what you're looking for and you know when you buy it you've got the right product and you know it's actually in the supermarket. So as we see, there's multiple options. So this one and the one from the Albert Heijn is like a cardboard box, and then on the outside it's plastic, and the one from the Jumbo, they also have the box version, but they also have a bag version. So when you take the box home, on the inside there's a recipe on how to prepare the food, so it's a good practice on your Dutch, and if you don't understand, of course you can use an app on your phone to translate, and then you're 100% sure that you are cooking the right thing. What I like about these is they are not super expensive. You know how much money you're spending per person per meal, and it's actually quite healthy, much healthier than prepared food or delivery food. So this is option number one. The other option I wanted to show you is what we call a Maaltijdbox. So this is perfect if you're a bit longer in the Netherlands, you don't have much time to go to the supermarket, and you need some inspiration on things to cook. It's what we call a Maaltijdbox. So there's different options, and I wanted to show you this website. It's called Maaltijdbox.org. So Maaltijdbox.org, there you see the different providers of this Maaltijdboxen, and you can have a look on their websites and compare and see which one you like. Maybe you like a vegetarian one, maybe you like a vegan one, maybe you like one from the farms. So look at the websites and compare. So when the box arrives at your house, everything is inside. The recipes are inside, and you can get cooking with all the ingredients, and you don't have to think about anything at all. So what you do is on these websites, every week or every 2 weeks in advance, you choose what you would like to eat, which meals you like, how many times a week you want to eat meat or don't want to eat meat or fish, or if you want to eat vegan or vegetarian. You click on all these options, and then you get options of meals you can prepare. You order the different meals, they put everything in the box, and the box is delivered at a specific time at your house. So this one is a bit more expensive than the previous one, but the nice thing is that everything is delivered to your house, so you do not have to go to the supermarket. I hope you like my tips and advices. I hope it gets you cooking in a nice way, in a healthy way, in a not so expensive way. If you want to see more of these videos, click on the link below. There you can find information about me, and you can also become a member of my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in Dutch classes, you can also contact me via the link below. Thank you for watching, and maybe until next time.